How to achieve remote batch monitoring of batteries. Just equip your BMS with a Wi-Fi module. The Wi-Fi module will transmit the data collected by the BMS to the cloud server via a network connection, then transmit the data to the server. Manufacturers can achieve remote management of multiple batteries through the cloud platform. Customers can realize remote control through the mobile app. The following 3 items need to be prepared in advance before use. First, customize the BMS software. Set the first 6 characters of the product's unique ID. For example, TDT 888. It is convenient to distinguish BMS devices of different customers on the platform. Second, apply for an account for cloud platform management. A valid email account must be provided to the administrator. Then optionally fill in mobile phone number, password, and fixed username. Third, complete the binding and allocation of BMS devices and accounts. Need to wait for the device to be online via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Then the cloud platform records its unique ID to complete the allocation. The administrator completes the user account creation and device allocation. The platform supports manufacturers, agents, and sub-agents. The 3-level role structure. Account creation must follow a top-down hierarchical logic. No skipping levels in operations. Log into the administrator account. Click User Management. Click Newly Added. Enter username, email, and password in sequence. Select the corresponding role to add a sub-agent. After enabling and confirming, the account will be displayed in the user list. For single device allocation, click the Allocate button in the device operation bar. Select the target subordinate account and confirm. For batch allocation, you can check the target devices through the filter function by ID, allocation status. Click Batch Allocate and select the corresponding account to complete the operation. After completing account login, on the left are the 5 major sections of the control panel: Workspace, Device Management, Firmware Management, User Management, and Control Interface. Meet the core needs of remote control of lithium batteries. The core functions focus on the following key modules. Click BMS Device Management. Select the BMS and click View. Enter the pack home page. Core parameters such as SOC, voltage, current, and power can be obtained intuitively. At the same time, it displays key information such as the battery's design capacity, remaining capacity, SOH, cycle number. Through the temperature module, users can view all cell temperatures, environment temperature, and MOS temperature. The cell module can check the maximum or minimum cell voltage, voltage difference, and balancing current, as well as the operating status of balancing, heating, and fans. For parallel devices, by switching the communication address, view detailed data of multiple pack devices. You can switch to view alarm message at the top. Settings, product information, historical data, fault records, binding logs, specified records. Click the charging switch or discharging switch to complete the control after entering the password and passing the verification. The green indicator means the open state. The black indicator means the closed state. It can achieve convenient remote charging and discharging control. Click the Settings module. 1. Battery type configuration. Cell types such as LiFePO4 and Li-I-don't can be selected. 2. General settings, including emergency switch, display always on, smart sleep, disable charging current limit, indicator alarm, buzzer. There are 7 configurations for the regular sleep function. All configuration items support on or off control. Off means close, on means open. 3. Protection parameter settings. Can modify cell and pack over voltage, cell and pack under voltage, alarm for charging and discharging over current, protection delay and recovery value, etc. 4. Battery parameter settings. Can change the cell number, modify rated capacity, balance opening voltage difference, cell balancing time, and so on. Basic parameters need be consistent with the actual battery specifications. 5. Temperature protection parameter settings. Can modify charging and discharging high and low temperatures, MOS high temperature, environment high and low temperature alarm, protection and release value. 6. Collection board settings. This page displays the number of collection boards and collection board addresses. 7. Communication address. Click to select a protocol. The display of the set protocol in the box indicates successful setting. Notes: a general password must be entered for verification before modifying any parameters. Editing is only allowed after passing the verification. Before upgrading, click BMS Upgrade, then provide the current software version number to the manufacturer. Obtain the firmware upgrade code of the corresponding device. The upgrade can be started after entering the code. Batch upgrade. Need to confirm target device model. Current cell numbers are consistent, and it is in Wi-Fi online state. Check the devices and click Batch Upgrade. Enter the upgrade code to confirm. After the upgrade task is created, through the firmware upgrade log to monitor the upgrade progress of all devices. The platform caches historical data every 3 minutes. Supports check by date. It can also be exported by date or custom checked conditions. Can directly export the latest 5,000 data records. The upper limit for a single export is 500 records. To query fault records, enter data type 1, read address 0-399, and the number of records. The upper limit for a single time is 10. Click Issue to obtain. Supports filtering and exporting by date. After binding log, users can view the binding and unbinding records of Wi-Fi devices, including operation time and operator account. Provide a basis for device traceability.